you're moving me. I've been thinking about you day and night. I can't get enough. Oh, nah. I can't lie. I love the way you're messing with my mind. I can't get enough of my.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Laifa and today I have another transformation video. Today's transformation video is going to be a hair transformation video on my gorgeous model. So the hair we're going to be using today is from Ali Grace Hair. So I'm just showing you guys the hair straight out of the box and everything it came with. It came with a wig cap. So the hair came like this with the highlights and everything, and can you guys see that bounce? Like the bounce was the first thing that got to me. So this is our gorgeous model Fades. I did this makeup in one of my classes. So yes, I offer makeup classes. If you want to get one with me, just send me an email. So I'm just showing you guys the lace color. It's a transparent lace and she's dark, so it doesn't go with her skin tone. So right now I'm just going ahead to apply her foundation shade on the lace so it can match better with her skin tone. So you can see it matches better than the way it was before. So right now I'm just using a couple of clips to clip the hair away because I'm about to start gluing it down, and you don't want to glue down any hair. So I'm just taking everything away from her face. So before I go ahead to glue it down, I like to cut off the excess lace first, which is what I'm doing right now. So I'm just cutting the excess lace using the zigzag motion, and I'm using a pair of small manicure scissors. I actually prefer using this than using a blade. So you can see I've cut off that section. So I just showed you guys what it looked like by the time I was done cutting it off. So now I'm finally done cutting off the excess lace, and I'm just going to be applying the hair section by section. I'm starting from this end, and I just put alcohol on wipes and used it to clean up the area that I'm going to be applying the glue. You want to clean it up very well or else it won't glue down. So I'm using the Bold Hold lace glue and I'm just applying it like so. You want to leave it to dry clear. As soon as it dries clear, then you can put the hair down. And I'm using my comb to press it into the glue like so. So I'm done with this section. It's time to move to the next section. So it's pretty much a repetitive process. I'm just going to let you guys watch until I'm done gluing the hair down.
Ese sentimiento no se compara a nada. Ay, como extraño tus besos y me arrepiento que mentí, ya no hay nada. Es que tú me encantas y ese mirar no me lo ni senta. Si por allá y acá no.
So now that I'm done gluing the hair down, I'm just cutting off the baby hairs that I want to use for this hair, which is what I'm doing right now. Right now, I'm using mousse to do the baby hairs before I tie it down. So right now I'm tying it down using elastic band. I actually prefer using an elastic band. I feel like it makes the hair melt better.
No, I'm studying like a milli rocket. Skin clear, still look young. Andy Miller knockers, money in my pocket. Don't call me a money pocket. Engine get to rocket. It sound like a thunder rocket. Yeah, I still love my baby even when it's toxic.
Right here, I'm just showing you guys the natural curls that it came with, and I've already brushed it out at this point. You guys already saw in the beginning of the video how the curls were straight out of the box. I really loved it. Like, do you see how bouncy this hair was? Like, I was pleasantly surprised. But I went ahead to do some one curls off camera, and I'm just spraying it down so it can last. Right now I'm taking off the elastic band, and honey so I'm just brushing out the curls. I really liked this hair. Like, I really liked this hair. Like, the bounce, you guys. I actually let the model rock it for a few days. She sent me a video today, and she was like, I love this hair so much. Like, the hair is really bomb. My assistant is already booking this hair. I'm just looking at her. She has been reminding me every day because I gave the last hair I reviewed to my other assistant, and the second one has been bugging my life out for this particular hair. Like, the hair is really nice. Like, I'm so hesitant to give it to her because me, I want it. I like it. I don't have any hair like this. So yeah, I'm just brushing it to my desired style. A friend of mine taught me this technique, Fatima Amuzat. Oosh, hello. So it was really nice, really nice. I'm going to leave all the details of the hair in my description box below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I have bomb-ass videos planned for you guys coming up. Tons of vlogs. I know you guys miss vlogs, don't worry. Like, they are coming, and I'm sure you guys are going to love them. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video, drop a comment. I love you guys so much. I'm going to leave all the details of the hair, leave the details of my gorgeous model, and my email address, so you can send me an email if you want to join any of my upcoming classes. We have online classes and physical classes for anyone you'd prefer. So yeah, that's it for this video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.
Desde eso no quería nada más. Baby, contigo me siento bien. Qué feliz yo de ser tu mujer.